grabe ang panahon.
Yeah. We don't know what the future holds. Kaya nga.
Umuulan
Umuulan ba dyan sa iyo?
Makulimlim.
Ano? Umuulan na.
Kanina pa yun.
It's raining na.
Si Baby Chel.
Doc, sama ka sa live. Sumama ka sa live. So ayan, they visited us in the house. Pero kaso nga tulog si mama eh. Ay!
Dumalaw si Riza.
Yeah.
Ayan pa, shoutout daw ang
Sino?
Team Maybe.
Shout out Team Maybe. I love you guys so much. Thank you for making my days happier. Hello, hi Bimbi at Rice. Shout out Pasay City. Yeah, shout out. Hello, Bambi. Ayos yung spelling ng pangalan ko, no? Bambi talaga. Miss Jessel Shop.
Send heart.
Pa-shout po.
Kiss
Hi,
me
Bim and
away.
Hello,
Thank you,
Bembe.
boy. Kiss me away.
Ayos yung mga spelling nyo. It's B-I-M-B-Y. Cute naman ang B-E-M-B-E.
Grabe, ang dami mong views.
Asan po si Ate Riza?
Just joking.
Nawala pa. Ay, naghuhugas po ng pinggan.
Asa na si Ma? Hello, Bim. Watching from Switzerland. Thank you.
Kay nanay ako maglalagay.
Hi, Bimbi from Japan. Ako po po, shout out Gladness.
Watching sa Dubai. Hello po.
Hello. How do you do?
Ganun siya.
Oo. Sino?
Para siyang si ano.
Di naman nakamute dito.
Sino doon?
Sino?
Laging
Sino doon?
may isang girl.
Pag 20k, papakita ko sa inyo yung trick ko kay Raisa.
Wag.
Papajack ka.
Wait, ganun.
Pag 20k ha, please share to your friends.
Siniting lang mo sin.
That's my toys, oh. That's Overlord, tsaka Gundam, Magic Johnson. Comics ko, nandyan, oh.
Ulit lang ako. Ba't
Tinignan mo ba yung Facebook niya?
I will show you.
isang outfit mga 15?
Maybe. Ito, Magic Johnson. Wait lang. I'll get it here pa.
Babe,
Ito
sila na lang.
si Zuko from Avatar. I got this in Super Manila Comic Con. You guys have to go, ha? Nagpa-vlog talaga ng live. Ito, Magic Johnson. I got this in ToyCon. Magic Johnson. Yeah. One of the best. And then Green Mist. And then ano pa? Yan, Voltes 5, Overlord. Yan. Yan ang hilig ko, maybe.
Ha? Bakit? Hindi, wag mo lang.
Ito naman ang hilig ni Kuya Josh. Winnie the Pooh and Big Bird from Sesame Street.
Kasi,
And Barney.
manood ka naman, tapos bagsakan mo naman ako. Ma-experience ko man lang. Binagsakan ng phone.
Paano?
Ginagsakan ng phone. Hi guys.
Hello, Team Riza.
Shout out sigaw pangalan ko Joy. Hi. Sis, dito kasi siya na kayo. Kaya nyo na yan,
Oy,
sister.
ate.
Sis.
Nadaganan si Babe, right?
What?
Wala lang.
Wait.
Babe.
Yo.
Face card.
No, how do you like? No salamin or may salamin? Kayo Mami B. You have to vote. I'll wear contacts next time on Eat Bulaga.
Press 1 if may salamin. Press 2, no salamin.
Yan, this is no glass. Ako wala akong makita kung
May contacts daw pero blue.
Blue, but blue? Ay, hindi man, I'm not kanot naman eh.
2 daw. Ano yung press 2? No salamin.
Two is salamin, one is without. Both. Yan, both na lang.
3 na lang pag nakapikit.
Guys, manood kayo kay Papi Jack.
Yeah. Alam niyo how team maybe.
Super.
Papa Jack is one of the most loyal.
Isang hi lang kay Ate Miles, Ate Riza, Bimbi.
Hi daw.
Si Doc po ba to? Ay,
1, 3. Ano kaya ang 3? So both. 3 is both.
In pain management, magaling siya.
Ay, lahat ng pain talaga.
Ayan, this is my
This for
condo
life,
now.
Ay, okay.
Ayan, dadami kliyente ni Doc.
Wow.
So ayan, how are you guys? Busy si Raisa eh.
Hanap niya sa isang babae.
So 3. So 3 ang majority vote.
Gusto pag nagka-jowa siya, ang tawag niya babe.
Shout out naman. Mas gwapo si Bimbi. Ha? Shout out po from Taiwan. Legit Dapper Cats. Thank you po for supporting the show. You know, We all do it for you guys. Siyempre naman. Okay. Hinahijack ko talaga yan. Hinahijack ko talaga yung live ni Raisa. Busy eh. Daming kwento eh.
Sorry.
Bigyan nga natin kung may mga followers na mag-gift.
No need to send gifts po ah. It's okay. Wag na. Don't send gifts. Just wanna spend time with you guys.
Gusto nga nila.
Pag nandito ako, walang gift dapat po. I just wanna spend time with all of you. As you guys support us. Please sing Bim. Nako, panoorin niyo po ako, tomorrow. What?
Hindi, mag-banding na sila.
Tomorrow. I'll sing for you guys.
Secret na wala.
Shout out po. Tuwing kailan po kayo nasa Itbulaga? We're just fixing the schedule lang po. Fixing, you know. You have to check everything. Permanent ka na sa Itbulaga. Yeah, I hope so. I very much hope so. I really like the job. Took some time to get used to the schedule, of course. Pero
You're a certified dabber.
But I'm a certified dabber cats na, of course po. Shout out po from Laguna, of course, from Laguna. What else pa ba? Waiting kami na maging kayo soon. Let's see po. How old are you, Bim? I'm 19. Rice is 21. So, dalaga na talaga. Hi, Bimbi Lods. Oh, Lods! Idol. You know, they're there. They're there. They're chilling in my couch. You talk with manner. Ah? Thank you so much. Nyo yung kilig ko. Thank you po. Pa-shoutout naman, Bim. Anak ni Ken Suson. And then 888 pa-shoutout po sa mom ko. Mama Pressy. Hi, Mama Pressy. Hope to see you soon. Please visit us in Itbulaga. Hi, Bim and Raisa. Busy si Raisa. Chilling yan. With Ate Miles.
Anong comments?
Dami. Raisa, tabi ka naman kay Bim. Yeah, sakit no. 6'5 ka ba, Lods? 6'1 lang, Lods. Hi po from Tarlac. The best province in the whole Philippines. My home province. Shoutout po, Roxanne Pedrera. Hi, I love watching Chris TV also. It's one of the best times of my life. I got to explore all of the Philippines from Will you also do acting? Let's see. Siyempre, maganda naman yung love team ko, no? So, of course, let's see. Let's see what God brings us. Wag na, don't gift na po, okay lang.
Sa akin, wag naman.
Don't spend money na po para I just wanna spend time with you guys. Where is the bomb, Bimbi? The bomb is there. So she's the bomb. Saan po si Raisa? Raisa is there making right there lang. Chilling with my Ate Miles. Kale Delica invites you to co-host. Huh?
Wag.
Wag,
Mga
okay.
random lang yan. Live streamer. Grabe, 19.
Shout out po sa Aboy family. Tacloban City.
Shoutout Dabber Cats.
Collab kayo ni
Ayun na,
Tito
20.
Vice? Of course! We did a movie together and so it's been so nice. And panoorin niyo po, Tito Vice and my Tito Vic.
Yes. Anong name? Greatest showdown?
Yan pa, that's the title.
Tinapa. Right.
Sana everything goes well with the shoot,
Gising na.
Gising na? Sana everything goes well with the shoot, Movies take a lot of time to complete, Ano yan? Ba't may aso?
Gifts. Sabi mo huwag na
Wag
mag-send.
na, don't send na, please. Don't spend your money na.
May TikTok ka raw.
Wala akong TikTok eh. I'm not social media eh. Kasi ako, the things I'll post, yung mga what my toys, my PC. Ako homebody lang ako eh. I'm a homebody. Gym, yan, gym.
Flex nga.
Hindi, flex talaga. Wala. I haven't gone to the gym in a long, long time.
Kamusta?
Nice, it's so nice, use your, I don't know, I didn't read that one. Raisa, may tongue piercing ka.
Hindi po yan.
Meron, may tongue piercing. Bad girl yan eh. Naughty girl.
Oo, tawag sila. Nakikita doon. Isipin ni Makagad.
Shout out Bimbi Raisa. Mira Zarin na. Shout out maybe. Of course. Napakagwapo ba? Oh!
Thanks naman.
Salamat.
Face card. Sure.
Ayan po ay
Ano pinaka-favorite scene nyo ni Raisa during Little Bossings? Ano,
ang yaman ng amoy mo, no?
my favorite scene was probably, just hanging out, hindi man scene, but hanging out lang in the house, no?
Tahi tayo ng buhok mo.
In the house in Little Bossings. That is a very good memory. Naalala ko pa yung mga wire sa floor, That was like one of the best talaga. Naalala ko si, Papa Jack. That's when I met Papa Jack,
Ganda nga pa nakasahid.
Bad girl Raisa. Yan, bad girl, good boy ako eh. Hi Bimbi, kamusta Mommy Chris mo? Yeah, she's good. She's sleeping now. Sleeping because of the weather, di ba?
Grabe ka naman.
Kasi this weather's bad for her eh. Na maulan.
Ano ba yan?
She's ignoring me, oh. She's ignoring me. Mean girl, oh. Mean girl, oh. Di mo suot yung ano ko. Suot! Sorry. Stay strong.
Dito ang totoong ayuda.
Shout out, just tune in Ish Kardashian. Here from, you're Kardashian. Palibre naman, Kardashian. Yung kumain siya ng maanghang, wala pala sa script, so funny kayo, Dob. Thank you. Yeah. Naughty ako dyan. Akala niya ice cream, pare. Kamusta your mom, Chris Aquino? Hi from Tarlac. Yung mga taga Tarlac, please comment. That's my province. One of the best provinces. Ano mo, Tarlac kasi is has 3 major groups po from Pangasinan, Ilocano, and from Pampanga. So parang kami halo.
Labi on labi. Sinubuan ng labi yung labi.
Shout out Bim, makakakilig. Ha?
Ang pink ng labi mo, no?
Sino make baka? Ang ganda ko.
Routine ko.
Ang ganda ko din. Ang cleans.
I'm from Tarlac, Bim. Bagay kayo ni Raisa. Bagay kayo ni Raisa. Bagay ba?
Filters.
Well, nga, let's be honest, we're bagay. Since 6 years old, bagay kami. Oo. Since 6 years old. Bakit? Hit naman ang hit naman ng Little Bossings, ha? Pero ba't ganyan mukha mo?
Natutulala ako eh.
Ang solid kasi ang maganda, hindi pinipilit.
Yeah.
Natural lang na ang solid ng friendship niyo.
Kasi we were like this na
Bahala ng tadhana.
when we were 6 years old.
Kasi ako,
Gising na.
nasa bahay si Kuya.
Si Kuya.
20K na. Magawin nating 25K.
Ang clear skin mo,
I want 25K. Ano lang yan? Biro lang yan. Camera tricks lang yan.
Manood ka naman live. Gusto magbagsak ka naman.
Sis mo lang ako.
Raisa, magdugi ka nga ulit.
Doggy.
Doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy.
Po.
25K po.
Mukhang
So you're taga Tarlac. Why don't you make a move kung bagay? Siyempre naman gentleman,
TikTok si Bimbi.
You have to be a gentleman,
Pero meron po siyang magandang kanta ngayon i-release.
Yeah.
Ang huling El Bimbi.
Babati naman ako, Bim. Nandyan ka sa bahay. No, she's in my house. She's in my condo. Kasi sila Ate Miles and Raisa wanted to surprise Mama. Kaso nga, tulog.
Kami na na-surprise.
May bagoong ka talaga ba?
Do you speak Ilocano? I don't speak Ilocano. Pero, fun fact, when I was a baby, mayayas ko from, Negros, from, Bisaya. So, when I was a kid, kayang-kaya, buong, Philippines, lahat ng dialect, kaya ko that. Pero, nawala na.
May bagoong Papa Jack.
Amoy bagoong ba?
Bagoong siya tapos ang lapit talaga.
Oh my God.
Sa inyo na lang kinikita.
Ayan, ano yun? Gift ba yun? Akin na.
Bimbi. Can you speak Kapampangan?
Marunong ka ba?
No.
Pero nakakaintindi ka.
Konti.
May
Kahit kasi mama hindi
Kapampangan ba kayo?
Tarlac.
Tarlac Kapampangan pala. Yes.
Yeah. Ba't halo na?
Si di ba may
Super halo.
Ilocos?
Malabo.
Ilocos.
Ilonggo?
Hindi, Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Sa Tarlac. Si Tito B. Tarlac.
Saguli,
Ilocano.
Mekeni, kuha ka piano, tugtog ka do, Remy.
1 million
Ano
likes.
treat mo
Wow.
kay Raisa?
Wow, happy Friday. Happy
Ilongga. 29. Hello po, shout out po Maricar Yosef.
So gentleman. Wow,
Yusef?
gentleman.
Kailangan.
Joseph?
Ay!
Abdul. Si Abdul.
Ano na? Hello, shout out po. Pa-shout out, Bimbi. Sure. Maulan din dyan. What?
Tell me, sis, you are my boss.
I'm anytime, sis.
You know,
Pero
you're
naman,
my boss, sis.
free lang ako,
because
sis.
Don't have car.
I have no life, sis. Remember?
Sis, we're live, sis, remember.
Wala siyang life.
Oh,
They want to leave me now. They want to leave me na.
Gift ka muna sa akin.
chinito na pogi. Nox.
Oo nga, no, I got more chinito as I got older. Mga teen maybe. Kasi when I'm smiling, nawawala talaga mata ko. Nawawala talaga my eyes.
Asan na yung mata mo? Ay, oo nga. Galing, ang galing, ang galing.
Hello from Bulacan. Sarap naman ng pillow ko.
Ganyan ka pala, diba?
Wait. Yun!
Oh my God, ano itong ginagawa?
What?
Palitan ka.
Oo nga. Oo. Baby.
What? I'm tired eh.
Oh. Sis.
Yun na nga, pillow.
Uy, yung...
What? Ano yun?
Lugod ka kay kuya mo.
Okay lang yan. Yun!
Shout out po.
Hi, Bim. And I'm from Pampanga. Hug mo siya, Bim. Dapat siyang iyakapin. Dapat siya. She should be the one to hug me.
Darling.
Kasi she's not malambing eh. Ako lang malambing eh.
Bing-bing.
Oo nga, para pantay.
Wow!
Ano yan?
Thank you, grabe ang dami mong gifts.
Kaya nga, don't give gift na po. I don't want you to spend, I don't want you guys to spend your money.
Kasabi mo yun sila.
Sis, baka pikan mo.
Kayo na, Bim? Hindi pa. No.
Mga
Let's just be friends muna. Kamo. Pa-shoutout ako. Erika, ano po yung naging course?
shoe size mo, Bim?
Ha?
10, 11.
Mamaya nahawakan pa ako.
Grabe, kahit is kamay ko, hindi ka
12. I'm size 12.
12.
24K! Oh, nice! Ilang taon ka na, Bim? I'm 19. Yeah, I'm 19. She's matanda na yan. She's 21. Ate. Ah. Pa-shoutout naman, Bim. Riz and Bim. 25K na yun. Pinapakilig. Shoutout po Arlene Espina from San Pablo City. Hi, from Coron, Palawan. Yun. What's your fave thing about Raisa? Ano? Genuine.
Wow. Sister, are you okay?
Kasi ano eh.
Go like this.
Kasi alam mo naman, hindi madalas ang genuine. Hindi karamihan ng genuine na tao sa isang buhay. No? Give life lesson or wisdom you wanted to share. Ano lang? Life lesson. Be yourself. Be yourself. Lesson or wisdom you wanted to share. Ano lang? Life lesson. Be yourself. Kasi hindi naman sila ang importante. Ang importante ay kayo. You guys are the important ones. The one who truly love me and Raisa, you know.
Ano may tulong mo to?
Oh, she's ignoring me, oh. 24K, 23K,
Tap nyo nga.
25K po. 25 or 30K na lang. 30K. 30K. Yun, my brother's week. Kuya, say hi to the live. Yan o, Kuya Josh is there. He's resting now. Just woke up. Kakagising lang yan. Shoutout naman here in Pakistan. Yan o. Di mo yung jammies ni Kuya. Cutie. Pag ako na shoutout nito, magpupuyat ako. Okay, I didn't see your name po, sorry. Napaka-pogi mo naman, Bimbi. Pa-shoutout naman ako. Lilu General or General. Raisa Monica Calata. Pag napansin ako neto, chuchu. Pa-shoutout birthday ko ngayon, Bim. Salamat. Stop sending gifts na po. Okay na yan. It's more than enough na you're viewing. Shout out po from Iloilo. Hello po.
What will you say?
Can you sing the
Kasama si Ma'am Chris, idol ko siya. Of course, she's sleeping now po eh. Tulog na si Mama. Sa PC ko, ano?
So for me, kuya.
Ngayon, Cyberpunk. Oo. World of Warcraft, mga ganyan. Hindi mahilig sa game si Raisa eh. So, ako lang ang gamer. Mobile game si Raisa eh. Ay po, pa-shoutout to Jasmine. Hello, watching from Spain. Hello, watching from Spain.
Ay, kaka.
Parang pwede yan.
Yeah.
Kuya, you
Sorry.
Wait lang, how do I, Oh, gamer couples. No, ako lang gamer. Ilan height mo, Bim? I am 6'1".
Hi!
Ang pogi mo, Thank you.
Ay, kadit.
Watching from Taiwan. Happy birthday, Duchess Shane. Happy birthday po.
Nice. How are you today?
Pogi ba? Wow, you're so tall. Thank you very much. Watching from work. Hi to all watching. Busy oh.
Next week. Into foreign, kuya. Into foreign, kuya. Into foreign, kuya.
Sleeping now po. Tulog pa. She's gonna wake up later.
Hawak chin.
Hawak mo ang beat.
Raisa Sonor.
Galing ni kuya mag-dance.
Raisa Sonor.
Hawad kayo, Josh.
Ako po.
Uy!
No touching, no.
No,
No touching.
Magkagalit siya ba?
I'm not mad, kuya.
Watching from Caloocan.
Thank you, kuya. Say thank you, kuya.
Picture muna po.
Home time.
Kasi,
Hi.
video pala.
Hi, kuya. Say hi, kuya.
Hello.
Hi! Hello!
Who's cute? Sino pogi?
Cute daw, kuya. Who's pogi?
Joshua.
Watching from Batangas City.
Yes, kuya.
Hi, Bim. Kuya Bim.
Finland, wow.
Shout out naman, Bim, please. Sure. Do you play ML? No, I don't play ML. League ako. League of Legends. Hala, nawala na. At least we hit 25k.
Risa's not singing, kuya.
Ano na po height mo? That's my nurse. Say hi, nurse. Say hi, nurse.
Hi, Nor.
Nakalive.
Welcome to the live, nurse.
Papa Chuck, ang sweet mo na.
Thank you, kuya.
Yung ako malambing. Siya hindi.
I know, you're a good boy naman.
Papa
eh.
Chuck.
Naughty ka ba? No
Good
naman.
boy.
Watching from Iligan City.
Papa Chuck,
Hi ka naman po sa mother ko po. Mommy Rose. Hi, Mommy Rose. Kailan ang kasal? Ano pa? Bata pa kami. I'm still young.
I love you din.
Watching from Leyte. Ano po height ni Raisa? Ano height mo ba, Raisa?
Papa Chuck,
5'2".
you're so...
5'2", ko 5'2".
Sorry. Wala mo, Bim. Sa tingin mo.
4'11".
Oh, salamat.
4'10"?
Hindi talaga.
What?
Secret lang, hindi ko i-reveal.
Yeah.
Cute nyo po. I know.
Si Pogi, kuya.
Thank you so much
Show it to
for the
Raisa.
compliment.
And Tweety Bird.
Watching from Kalibo, Aklan. Hello. Who's your fave?
Raisa.
Wow! Anong name yan, kuya? Si...
Ah?
Who's that, kuya?
Big bird and...
How about?
Tapo.
Wow!
Kuya.
Si Abdul? Joseph?
Shout
Baby.
ba i-edit kayong dalawa? Go! I think naka-screen record naman yung live natin eh.
Kuya, no?
Please make a movie. Sana po. Sana.
Hala,
Kung may budget pa. Kung may budget, we can make a movie. Nakakamiss talaga mag-movie po eh. Yeah.
Papa Chuck, tawagan
And
mo.
syempre naman, mga mall show. Miss those
Hi,
times.
police. Good morning.
Well, surely, gonna watch. Sila na ba
Evening na po.
ng kuya what?
Kanina ka pa nag-sleep? What time pa nag-sleep?
Sila ba ng kuya mo, Bim? No. Kuya Josh, just malambing lang.
Ano ka ba, kuya? It's
Yeah, special si kuya eh. So, ano.
Eh,
Pero daming girls yan. Malambing yan, my brother.
maybe this time.
How about Wild Rift, sir? Ano idol? Watching from Concepcion, Tarlac. Yeah. It's the first city that my lolo was a government official of.
Kuya, ano yung kanta mo?
What's your song?
Of Crete.
Maybe.
Maybe this time.
I know. Mag-gym ka ba soon? Sana. Before I got COVID few months ago, ano ako, every week ako, like, almost every other day ako sa gym for MMA, mixed martial arts. Yeah. Dalhin ko si Raisa. Ano? Gym tayo?
Game.
Pero mixed martial arts. Gym ko. Suntukan.
Babalibagin na naman ako doon.
Tuwang-tuwa po si mama. Bakit di mo ako pinapansin idol? Pa-shout out kay May Angeline. Idol ka po niya. Thank you for me being your idol. Thank you po. Onan Rizal. Mom raised you well. Gawa kayo podcast ni Raisa. Let's see. Never know.
Maybe this time.
How was your mom? She's sleeping now po. Yeah.
Everybody, kuya, wave your hand.
Shoutout po si Jessica. Ma'am Jessica. Iba doggy. Yun po. Watching from Tarlac. Love you guys from Tarlac.
Maybe this time.
Love won't end. Cutie. Who's cute?
Joshua.
Who's pogi?
Me. Say me.
Me.
Watching from Kuwait.
Ay, may maganda, Kuya George.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Dito ko yung mga ibang toys ko. Busy sila eh. So this is Lord Momonga from Overlord. Kung hindi nyo alam mga Dabbercats, mga maybe nerd ako. This is Momonga. Otherwise, and this is Jon Snow from Game of Thrones and Voltec from Fallout. And one of my favorite directors, si Kevin Smith. One of the best. Earlier work was really nice, but his newer work was not the greatest, but okay lang. Ito, one of my prized possessions. Mandalorian, Star Wars. Yeah. N1 Starfighter. Magda-dance si Raisa, wait lang. Age gap namin ni Raisa is 2 years. Ugh! You're ignoring me.
Why are you ignoring me?
You're ignoring me.
Sila, the other side.
I'm suplado na. Hindi mo ako nilalambing.
Say sorry, kuya.
Collection.
Collection tour. Yan lang. That's it.
A vlog.
Bim po shoutout lola ko. Rosieta Rita.
Wala si marumi.
Galing Bim, fluent ka na magtagalog. Yes, same lang. Maano lang. Sanayan lang. To all the kids na di marunong. Just let it flow, Sa dugo, nasa dugo mo naman yan eh.
Smile with your phone.
Nasaan po kayo? In my house.
Smile. No, with your picture.
Mines mo kukulitin.
Nagbabasketball ko.
Sorry.
Dati, konti. Just a bit. Point guard. I was a 1. Favorite league champion.
Kuya.
Forgetting that. Super long time ago. Shout out from Zambales. Rai, why are you ignoring Bimbi? Oh, ignoring me.
Hello po.
Pabati po ng happy birthday. Happy birthday. Seeing you makes me feel old. Shout out po, birthday ko po ngayon. Julie
Happy
Valencia.
birthday.
Bimbi, gawa ka na. Gamitin ko na lang TikTok ni Raisa. Wala na.
Hi, Kuya. We'll say hi to you, okay?
Watching from Concepcion. Yeah. Very special place po ang Concepcion.
Prices na.
Shout out sa nanay ko sa Pampanga. Shout out po. Min pa shout out asawa ko, si Prezel, crush ka nun. Yeah! Thank you very much.
Say thank you, Kuya.
Shout out naman Kuya Bim, his name is Briggs. Hi Briggs. Classmate ko dad mo sa what? Classmate ko dad UE. Oh, in 2000 di pa ako buhay nun. Anong height mo po? I'm 6'1". Pero mataba na ako. 220 pounds. Big.
Nice, I like you.
Please pa ako greet. Ha?
Okay, Kuya.
Idol ko to eh. Idol kita pare. Bim, anong shampoo mo? Ano? I have, I get warts in my scalp eh. So, taga-derma. Derma yung shampoo ko.
Can she come with us?
Yes.
Come with you, kuya.
Putigin si Raisa. Thank you.
Ako ngayon, rest time na. So, just got back from Bulaga. What's your skincare routine? Ano? What's your skincare routine?
Wala lang, tubig lang.
Born this way.
Yo. Please, card.
Please, Court!
Ganda lang.
Isang good luck sa isang intern. Yeah, intern's a very good position.
Grabe yung
Stepping
kamay mo.
stone yan. Tuloy mo lang yan.
Wow. Grabe ang kamay.
Yeah. Oo, mga Dabber Cats. Oh. Kamay ni Kuya at saka kamay ni Raisa.
Grabe.
Kamay ni Kuya at saka kamay ni Raisa.
Grabe.
As nga. Swabe.
Rizzler ka ba? Alam mo yung Riz, Bim?
Yeah.
Riz.
I was born with it.
Rizzler.
So proud.
I'm just joking. Siyempre, proud ate ko.
College.
Tsaka ganito, come. Let's sit down. Yung ganito, alam mo dito mga team maybe, ganito.
Kami kayong kapaan ni kuya.
Ah? Ano?
What's right? No, what's right?
Ulo ko. You know this one. Let's count our shoulders. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Galing.
Yan ang natunan ko sa States. First time I saw the Uy! Boss ni Bim si Kuya Luis Manzano. Yeah. Miss Tito Luis. Haven't seen him in years. Padalhin kita. Will you be in EB? Maybe. You'll be surprised.
Chip. You have a very, ano daw?
Ano?
Hinabilis ako.
Laki ni Bim at ni Raisa, bagay kayo ni Raisa, nadaan mga video nyo ni Raisa sa FB ko. Oh, thank you po. Lag Bims. Walang lag. Naka-wifi. Ay, hindi ka pala naka
Tapos yan, Bim, baka ano sila alis.
Shout out po sa aming dalawa. Bait talaga ni Bim. Yes! Kailangan. You have to be kind, you know. Sino po kalaban ng Team Raisa? Who is the kalaban kaya?
Team Rocket. Sis, just tell me sis.
Playing
Anytime.
6. You wanna go 6? 5:30.
Sis.
She wants to go na, no?
Ako din, sis. Ako din, sis.
Parang gusto mo. Para ano?
Wala akong pera.
Aldab 2.0. Thank you very much. Sana. Bimbi, kindly tell your mom her fans are begging for a podcast. I will. Thank you very much. Mag 24 hours Jowa challenge kayo. Pwede. Let's see. Yeah, it's my house.
Where ka, kuya?
Mukbang kayo, sure.
Ay! Abangan.
Abangan.
1, 2, 3.
Hila me.
Asan si Raisa? Raisa's there.
Makeup challenge daw, Bim. Hindi kita makeup, Bim.
Lalaki ako ba?
Kaya nga challenge eh.
Okay. Fine. See, mga guys, no, ano, just say yes lang. Just say yes lang, ano, smooth na ang buhay. Just say yes.
FB10.
21K, 25K, 25K ulit. Yan ba ang pinaka, ano?
Grabe
The most?
Parang.
Watching right now?
Yes, 21. Iba ka talaga, Bim. Yung face mo lang.
Iba ka talaga. You're the one who's iba.
Iba ka, Bim. Idol. Lodi cakes. Alam mo yung Lodi cakes?
You're my baby cakes.
Galing.
Ang corny ko, Mati, maybe. Shout out naman, Mama Luz and Chucky.
Shoutout po.
Wait, I will make it para ano.
Para kang human tripod.
Yun. To get more gains.
Mama,
Gawin natin yung big
let's go
place.
to
Basta may premyo ako. Kaya I need a prize. Suot pa ba ni Raisa ang necklace?
Hindi siya pa-check up.
Wanna say hi to the live doc?
Tata, check up.
Di pa.
Shoutout mo daw si
Check up
Opo.
ako sa ta.
This is my Doc Rainiers, one of the best doctors who takes care of mama.
Everyday siya.
Check up si Kuya.
Without abs
Check up.
Very
Wait, I will remove my glasses mo para makiiba naman yung
Patingin
look.
nga ng glasses mo. Diba? Gano'ng kalaki?
Oh, Raisa in glasses.
Ang lala. Nakakahilig.
Try mo lang na.
Nakita ko na.
Lola! Lola!
Anong grade?
175 to 100. Taas. Not the highest, but kailangan lang kasi I'm nearsighted.
I love it.
The newest and coolest tandem, Wasabi Raisa.
Yes.
Cute mo, no?
Of course. Face card.
Naging dolphin. Cutie, you guys cute together. Shout out po idol from Dingat. Bimbi so handsome. Ay,
Wow.
thank you. Thank you po for the compliment.
Face card.
Very pretty Kuya. Kuya.
Ay, pa ako yan, kuya.
Wait. Wait. Paano, how do we, make
End
it?
na?
No. Make it
Not na.
switch. Here. There. Okay. Wait lang I have to look for something. Yun! Viewers can't hear because the microphone is... Huh? No.
Face card.
Face card ulit.
Ay, sa'yo nakatapat talaga yan. Did you text me na, kuya?
Ayan. Yung kulitan lang.
Can you drive to eat?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You're still baby face but your voice is adult. Hindi naman. Baby boy pa ako.
Face.
Shout out maybe idol ko kayo. Like legit. Baby face pa ba ako? Yeah. Baby face pa. Kailangan ko ng jawline. I need the jawline. Taba na ako. Bim, nag-lag ka.
Jawline yung nilalaro, di ba yung parang...
Jolen yun. Joline.
Ano ba? Ooh. Oh. Pabless.
Papa Chuck, you're so poky. Isa pong Papa Chuck. Si Ay, kalita ako si Papa Chuck.
Alo, galit
Kalita ko.
na.
Papa Chuck, isa yung kalita ko. Kalit.
Kinikilig ako. Ako din. Yung kamay. Bims, more vlog together with Rice. Shout out Bims kay Jello Salazar.
Yung photo.
Di na siya. Ako, conservative ako talaga. Yeah. I don't like girls na papakita yung kung ano-ano.
Change photo.
Oh, so outfit ni Raisa okay. Conservative. Yan. Kasi kanina naka-crop top siya kanina eh. Ayoko. I don't like it. I don't like seeing the
Ay, abs ko kasi kita ka naman.
wala kang abs absent. Wala naman din. I don't have abs also. It's okay. You don't need abs to be beautiful. Bimbi, sino first GF mo? Wala. No girlfriend since birth po. Yeah, no girlfriend. Tsaka hindi pa,
23.
you need the right time, you know. Ba't gusto mo conservative, Bim? I like, conservative because hindi ko lang type na, na pakita yung kung ano-ano, di ba? Gusto ko na, lang, I like beautiful, not, I like more beautiful than sex. Beautiful is better.
Pagkakalit na si Papa Chuck. Papa Chuck, pagkakalit ka na.
Suot niya po yung necklace. Yes! She's wearing it. Kita mo nga yung necklace.
Pretty. She's pretty. Ay,
She's wearing the necklace.
super.
Sinot si Aurora daw.
Ha?
Sinot si Aurora daw. Sinot si Aurora daw. Sinot si Aurora daw. Sinot si Aurora daw. Sinot si Aurora daw.
Madaming crush sa akin.
Baka nag-live.
Pero syempre naman, one woman man. You know, which is my mama. Air supply, oh. Mag-on na kayo. Mag-on, oo. Naka-on yung ilaw.
Nice, ha?
Saan po si Casey? Resting. Sleeping.
No. Ay, no.
2.6 million likes. So, ibig sabihin nun, 2.6 million viewers.
Hindi, yung live. Yung ganyan na kiniklik.
Pero how do we know na how many people, No, like,
Yung
buo.
nag-like, hindi mo makuha.
Oh, wala. Sino po kasama nyo? My brother. Ayan, may basher to, no?
Dito lang, ma'am.
Sino nga yan? May nag-bash sa akin, eh. May nag-bash sa akin, eh. Pare, alam mo yung sino? Paano yan? Ikaw talaga. May nagbabash, oh. Sama. No bashing. That's bawal.
Love you. Ay.
Pa-shoutout from Sinait, Ilocos Sur. Ano communication ni Raisa if you don't have socials? Message. Phone number. She has a phone number also. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa mga DM, ganyan. Ako, cellphone lang. Yan lang kailangan. Gwapo mo, Bim. Thank you. Please tell Miss Chris that we miss her.
Where's Pooh?
There.
Alright, in 1 minute, we'll end the live.
Uwi mo na.
Hi, pa-shut up.
Saan na ng Big Bird? Ako si Pooh.
Oh my God. What is your age na po, Bimbi?
Calculate your mind. Calculate your
Heart.
and Jesus name.
Ignore them. Tama. Ignore the bashers.
Yes.
Always ignore always ignore your bashers. Yan, tama.
Tingin, sabahan mo
Yo.
sa force. Okay.
Shout out Jerome, please. Sure.
Rise and come.
Bimbi ang pogi. Thank you po.
Yeah.
Kiss Bim. O sige. Kiss.
I have life.
Yan o. Tapos na. Uy. I'm so handsome, Bim. Bim, shout out Max. Hi, Max.
Malaki yung eyes ni Papa Chuck.
Live ulit bukas.
Sure.
Sure.
Bata kalit.
Alright, at what time is it? 5:50 will end na. So they have to go at 6. Nanay Chris and Ate Miles. Yeah. From Dubai. Dubai.
Sige.
Ang cute nyo. Vlog na po together. Hello, Bambi. Dear yan. Ang Bimbi.
Confiscate Papi Jack.
Yung phone.
Phone.
Where is Chris? She is sleeping. Chris is sleeping. My mom's
Ayaw
sleeping.
ipika yung phone kay Papa Chuck. Kakaut na.
Ang ganap nyo dyan. Ano ganap nyo dyan? Tambay-tambay lang, you know.
Tomboy.
Shout out my name, Myra. Mira or Myra?
Si Matilda. Where?
Shout out. Shout out mo ko, Raisa.
Samara.
Me, you shout me out.
Sabi, Pinaypay. Pinaypay.
DJ.
The best. Ang nice ng voice mo, Bimbi. Wow.
Raisa, Joshua.
Joshua.
Shut down.
Raisa, salita tayo.
Okay.
Tulog na.
Good night, kuya.
You're sleeping.
Ang shot lang ito.
Blooming si Resume.
Ay,
Blooming na blooming.
kalit siya, Papa Cho.
Si Papi.
Skincare mo, Bim. Ano na? Born this way. Just joking. Ano lang, keep it simple lang po. Wash your face. And moisturize. Yan talaga importante. Sleeping. Shout out Arsheli from La Union. Kuya, say hi to the live again.
Hi, la! Baby, remove class.
Okay.
Clean sa shirt.
Oh, malinis na. It's clean na.
Low.
Think I can. Pero like, per person, per one like. Hindi.
Yes.
So, naka 2.9 million na tayo.
Ay, oo, ata.
Diba?
Sure. Yata.
Shout out Debbie Ursua.
Ay.
So, bait ni Josh. Yeah, mabait. Pero paminsan, naughty. Good boy, but sometime, half and half dapat.
Kulit.
Shout out from Davao. From Davao City. 2 more minutes and then we'll go off na.
Ay, tower ka.
So, kailangan 30K na.
30K. 30K viewers?
Yeah. Last hurrah. Pasigaw naman name ko, Ann. Ann! Cotabato City.
College ka na.
About to be.
Yeah.
Rasha from Laguna.
Ito ba to? Yes!
I'm real. Tarlac City, represent. Shout out po, Apex Schools, Bacoor.
Kuya Dan, hi.
What course are you guys gonna? I might take medicine. Either that or something, admin, I think. I don't know, not sure.
Nakakita mo ba ito mga ano?
Oh,
Nabutin mo ba sila yung mga sulit bahay vlog natin?
yes.
Ako yan, no.
Ay, that's my favorite song, kuya.
Hi, Bim and Riza. Naka 30K tayo, no? Hindi. 25,000.
6, 7.
Ang most. 6, 7. Bossing.
Yun na. Wow, kuya Dan.
Nako, natuto, no? Tito Vic. Sa 6,
Oo, kasi
7.
sa mga baby niya.
The best. Kaya, kanina. I made them sabay 6, 7. Alright, 1 more minute remaining.
Bye, Thank you for
Goodbye.
watching. Salamat.
Bye.
1 more minute in approximately
1 minute.
now.
Ayun na. Bye, Dabber Cats.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
Bye.
See you tomorrow,
Say goodnight,
group
kuya.
3.
Tomorrow,
Group 3, please vote. Please vote.
Oo nga, mag-comment kayo ng request ng kanta.
Yeah, please vote. Okay. Goodbye. I don't know how to end this.
Bye, Dabber Cats. Say bye, kuya.
Bye.
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 Bye.